If your LG TV screen suddenly shows white spots, glowing circles, or bright orbs, it can look like the panel is failing. But in most cases, the TV isn't broken, and the fix is much easier than people think. This issue is actually very common on LG and other TVs. Let's begin with the simplest and most effective fix. First, power the TV completely off and unplug it from the wall. Now press and hold the power button located on the TV itself for about 15 seconds. After that, leave the TV unplugged for at least 30 minutes. Once the time has passed, plug it back in and turn it on. This cold boot resets internal components and clears temporary glitches, and for many people, this alone removes white spots from the screen. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is external connections. Unplug all HDMI cables and connected devices. Clean the cable ends if needed, then reconnect them one by one, or try different HDMI ports. For a quick test, just disconnect everything and open the TV's on-screen menu. If the white spots appear on top of the menu itself, then the problem is inside the TV. But if they disappear, one of the external devices or cables is causing the issue. Now let's check the software. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause display artifacts. Open the settings menu, go to support, then software update, and make sure automatic updates are enabled. If an update is available, just install it and restart the TV. Next, take a moment to adjust the picture settings. Go into the picture menu, open advanced settings, and slightly lower brightness or contrast. This won't fix a hardware issue, but if the spots are faint, it can make them less noticeable. If nothing has worked so far, a factory reset is worth trying. Press the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings. From there, navigate to General. Now select System, or reset to initial settings, depending on your model. If the white spots are still present, then, well, we've reached the real cause. Inside your LG TV are LED backlights. Each LED has a small reflector lens glued on top, designed to spread light evenly across the screen. Over time, heat causes that glue to fail. When the lens falls off, the LED becomes a bright point of light, which shows up as a white orb or circle on the screen. There's an easy way to confirm this without opening the TV. Gently tilt the TV from side to side and listen carefully. If you hear something sliding inside, the reflector lenses have likely fallen to the bottom. So, this leads to a hardware fix, and I would recommend you to get a professional help unless you are fully confident to do it by yourself. If this guide helped you out, consider subscribing for more simple TV fixes that really save you money and time.